Yeah, here is a point of correction concerning my recent move about religion and false teaching in the church. What I want to make clear is I'm not against any religion. I'm not against any religion. But what you should have to know is religion is your own. You have a right to follow any religion you like. But community is our command. You don't have a right to mislead our community with your wrong teaching. I, as a concerned member of the community, have a right to correct what is not good. It has no connection with any politics. Like, it is my choice to be a politician